Hi people, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening for which country you are watching me for. And I welcome you guys once again to my YouTube channel. So guys, my topic goes this way and we're going to be talking about how to keep a friend when you are married. When you are married woman, whether being relationship, whether married, mostly when you are a married woman, how to keep friend. Many of us just believes that we just choose this person as my friend, that's all. No, it's not all. Sometimes in our life, especially when it comes to marriage issue or something like that, most of us don't normally share it out. We don't normally say it to people. People know. And you ask, how did this person know about me? Is that friend? And that friend wey you trust so much, it's not like you tell that friend, you never tell am anything about your marriage, but you know that your friend know. They are dangerous people in this earth. You see that friend wey go dey carry your bag in baggages, always come to you. You have husband at home, always come to you to come and spend. Oh, my friend, where you dey? Me and my family, we dey come spend some week with you. Coming is not a problem. Come and spend time, 1 week, 2 weeks with you at the same home that you are living with your husband. And at the same time, they go to that friend. Go dey spend even one night from that friend house. Go dey spend one night. And that your friend dey complain. Na bad friends. That friend not be just friend for you. He get purpose for your life. You don't know. Wetin dey happen. He get purpose. He get wetin he dey find. If him mission don complete, don't run. That time you don gather all your information. If you no even take time, that friend wey you and I don eat the same plate together, you and I don wear the same clothes, una don go many places, party, name it, together, and the same that friend, na you go say bring your nakedness come out. The same that friend, when it's set, you go publish your nakedness. You no even be careful, go publish your husband journal. You see, what I use it to mean is that if you're having a friend as a married woman, and then you are a woman, you get friend, especially married, you dey get friend wey dey always dey come for you, come dey spend 3 nights, 4 nights, 1 week, and your hope, dey go for that friend house, and that your friend no dey complain. For your mind, you think say na good friend, na lie, na bad friend to you. Not be good friend, na bad friend to you. Because you no fit tell me say person dey always dey come your house, you no dey go to that person house. The person no get every reason to complain. The person no get every reason to complain about it. No dey complain, no dey vex. And he always come to you. You think, oh, this my friend na good friend. Na lie, na bad friend. You get purpose for your life. If you gather am finish, you don run. So if you be that woman out there where you always get this kind of friend, you normally come to you don't go to that friend, and you expect say that friend a good friend to you, na lie, na bad friend. If you gather your information finish, you don't run with that one. And that time you come here, now who I tell, your husband go ask you, oh, this secret na only you now know as my wife. Who you tell? You can't imagine yourself who I tell, na lie. And that moment when your husband they discuss that secret with you, that your friend stand by your door, they listen, even record. You think, oh, my friend, good night, I don't go bed, me I sleep well, oh baby well. You don't see for your mind, be say, oh, don't finish, I don't go to my room, I lock my door. Na lie, e dey your domot, the record. E dey your domot, the listing. If you no even take care, you go plug camera in your home. So, if you want to be succeed, why am I saying this thing? I just say, let me share it out. If you want to be succeed as a married woman, stay away from friends. Especially friend that always come to you, you don't go to that friend. Stay away from that friend. Stay away. Stay away from that friend. Just stay away from that friend and pick up. Don't forget about all those our African life. See, one thing I came to Europe and learned. You see, white people, before white people will come to your home, they will call maybe 1 month, 2 weeks ahead. They will call, and maybe 2 weeks time, my family and I, we are coming to visit you, but not for sleeping. Especially when they are in the same city with you. It will hard before you see any white person will come to your home with your family will sleep. But you see black, they do it mostly. And you think they are good friend that you die with. You think, no. Let it set. If you not get your naked picture, bring come out that you know say no be that your friend, they call your house, come they sleep. So be wise, many of married women. That is the problem many of you are having today with your husband. A time that you will use to discuss with your husband. Let me not forget this part. A time that you will use to also discuss with your husband. You now have that time with your friend for sitting room discussing. Because you cannot leave your friend there alone. You must have time with her. You see, it spoil many things. Actually, for a friend to visit your home 1 week, 3 weeks, it spoil many things. It really spoil many things here in Europe. It spoil many things. Your husband come back for work, you want to ask him how the work go today, how did you feel about work. You don't have that time for him anymore. You see, friend that normally pack their bag and baggage come to your home to come and see, he know fully well that you are staying in that house with a man at home. He know fully well you are staying with that man the same house. Will pack him bag and baggage, and the same friend is living in the same city with you. Even if his city is far, small, it's the same region. Now it be you. You go come spend 2 weeks, 3 days, 4 days for your house. It not be good friend, na bad friend. Stay away, okay? That is just my message for you, so that you can have time to communicate with your husband, have time to gist with your husband. It's very important for marriage. If you don't have a good relationship to gist with your husband, then your marriage is not marriage. It's other way around. You need to have time to gist with your husband. Ask him about his work. Ask him in everyday passing about in life. How is he faring? How is work going? Is it going well? Is he having problem at work? This we need to be asking. Invest that time on your man. Because immediately you have that friend, always come to your home. You don't normally have time for your man again. If in a 1 week that your friend will stay, that 1 week you don't get time for your husband. And you think that friend is a good friend, let me have time for you come to visit him, let me have time to discuss with her. You don't know that friend, it doesn't actually mean, it's not meaning you well. It don't mean you well at all. It not mean you well. A good friend, when you know say you marry, you go know when and when to come and leave, not to sleep, to visit and leave. That is a good friend. You will no longer have time for your husband anymore, only she, because you have to gist with her. That is the reason why you don't have to add. You don't need them. You don't need them. You don't need them. So be very, very wise. Keep your home safe. Keep your marriage safe. The way we keep our life safe. Marriage is safe. Save your marriage from all those evil doers friends. And save your also the children also from evil doer friends. So you guys call coming on that phone. So be very, very vigilant. Know what you want as a woman. And know the kind of friend you keep to yourself, so that your marriage can be that stronger. Don't forget, a time you invest on your husband, really say money, because many of you value investing money on a man. No, invest quality time with your husband. You make your marriage strong. So Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget also to like my video and share also. If you know you enjoyed this topic, you really need to share. Okay, bye bye guys.